So when I bought the Gallardo a little over a year and a half ago, it was a 20-year dream come true, a good 10 years of saving up to make this a reality. However, I love the V10 so much, it is time to add my second Lamborghini to the garage. This time around, I cranked it up a notch with a Huracan Performante. So let's rewind it now and show you how to build this Lamborghini Huracan. So this is the KidZone brand. There are a ton on Amazon. There's a ton of different cars, colors, pretty much anything under the sun you could imagine, they now make for these little Power Wheels. When I was a kid, we had a little red Jeep and then a little camo Jeep. That's about all you got back in the 90s. And I think it weighs like 30 pounds or so, but we can lift up the car, get that out of the way. So here's a quick look at everything in the box. You're gonna get the seat that also does have a little seat belt. The body, of course, we're going with pink because that is what is gonna make sense for us. It does have doors that do open, which is pretty neat to see. Pretty cool right there. And then of course, we're gonna go over all of the controls and everything like that. The battery is sitting right there. So first thing on the list, we have a little bolt right here. We're gonna take off of that one. And then on the back, you have a cap. Take this bolt off as well. Got a little cardboard piece, and then we have a zip tie we're just going to cut. Now to go ahead and tighten the rear, as you might be able to see, me tighten that just spins the actual axle. So just taking a pair of vice grips, clamping it nicely. Now I can go ahead and tighten up the rear. For the steering wheel, we're just gonna carefully cut the zip tie off. We are gonna have to take this screw out of the steering column real quick. Might have to spread it apart a little bit. It's a little tight in there. Now we know we all love a big wing on any V10, so just like mine, we are going to pop this on now. So just like in the Performante, we got the cool swan neck design, but this should just kind of fit into these grooves. Slide it in, and a little click onto the windshield. Now this just has some plastic tabs, so we're just gonna slide it around the front. You'll hear the clicks, and that is all installed. Next up, we have these little mirrors. I do like how the detail on this is very good, and obviously my car isn't the Huracan, but funny how that is the exact same shape to a real mirror. That is really nifty to see. So these ones should just pop into the doors. So when you first unbox this, the battery right here is not going to be connected to the computer. So this plug right here, you're going to have to just go ahead and click into place. Super easy to do, no big deal. That's the only electronic stuff you're gonna have to deal with. Next up, the last piece of the puzzle is installing the seat. And if you are familiar with these cars in real life, this is just like a real Huracan Performante seat, which is really neat, of course, as a fan to see. So we're gonna lock it in this front, looks like. And then in the back, there's this little button right here. You can see, I can slide it to the left. That kind of lets you click this in and out. So there we go. And then obviously you'll be able to tighten this and use this as a nice seat belt. From here, let's do the first startup. So the way you're gonna do it, we simply have one button right there. And check out the headlights. And then in back, we even have a nice set of LED taillights. I can tell you one thing, my Jeep from the 90s did not have LED lighting. So that is cool. These young kids these days get everything. From here, you can drive this from sitting in it. You have a gas pedal down here and put that into forward, reverse, and then, now that is what every parent wants, a kid to be able to do that. But nonetheless, we have the Turtle, we have the Rabbit, so you have 2 speeds. You can connect Bluetooth, FM radio, and then over here, check out the headlights now. You can turn on the hazards. So all 4 of them are blinking nicely. I can turn everything off and then turn everything back on. So here's the remote now, super basic. You got 2 AAA batteries. So basically you can drive your kid in it, and then when they are old enough and able to reach the pedals, of course they're gonna be able to drive. So let's turn it on again. Push button ignition. Hear that V10 roar. There is also a battery indicator for the little LED lights for the charge system, which is cool, and a USB. So let's see. All right, so now to drive it completely with the steering. All right, not bad. So after looking at the instructions, basically the S right here is your speed button. So you'll see the different LED lights turning on. So there's 3 speeds, I guess, when you have this remote. The P button is an emergency park. So emergency brake, basically you can see it flashing. So I guess if your kid's starting to go crazy in it, you can easily hit the brakes. We have the pairing button, which is right in the center. Another thing worth noting, on the underside, we do have these little wheels that will flip upwards. That way you can lock them in place and roll this on the back when the battery does die. So there you guys go. That is how you build the KidZone Lamborghini Huracan. With that said, there is my second Lamborghini coming to the garage. We have an addition to the family, so that's crazy. We're growing up. I think we're officially adults now. But here you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have this linked on Amazon. It's actually less than 200 bucks. Super cool little toy for future kiddos and things like that. And there is one last look now at the Huracan Performante, the little ride-on, looking good with the Gallardo. But there is a full look at how you build it and everything. Got, of course, the little Lily outfit, which is gonna be super cool. And we got the official merch already, Baby for Speed. So summer is gonna be pretty crazy for us for sure. This is a cool little toy that hopefully end of this year, early next year, we'll be doing some cruises in the parking lot together. But there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed today's video actually showing how to build this, which is just pretty straightforward. And then fun little announcement for us. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for plenty more content to come, and check out the Amazon linked below. They sell a ton of these, so I'll have one linked, this exact one. You can pick one up for yourself. There's a million different cool cars out there for kids these days, which is really, really neat. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.